What's up, YouTube? I just got my hard drive from my Xbox 360. Just got it from the mail. I took it out already. It's a 320 gigabyte hard drive for Xbox Slim. It's plastic. I'm gonna take that off for now. But to prove it, it's in 320 gig. Sorry, I can't really show it to you because of the blurriness. The camera's gay. But yeah, it's a 320 gig Slim. And I'm gonna install it while you guys watch. So you take off the cap. You take the hard drive and you insert it the way it's supposed to be inserted. This little square, whatever shape that is. You keep pushing it until you hear a click. Like that. And then that's all. You put the cap back on. There you go. And then you whatever processes it when it turns on, and that's all. Alright, thank you for watching my video, and please comment and subscribe. Alright, see ya.